So welcome. So today we are gonna unbox this Aris Pro. So this is a wireless plus Bluetooth plus wired controller. So you can see the box. So box is pretty good. So there is a rust. Let me okay. So you can see this seal. This is important because in this Pro it's new, brand new. So we are gonna unbox it. So let's get it. So this box Aris Pro comes with the 3.5mm audio jack, 1000 Hz pulling rate, and also Hall effect joystick, also macro back buttons for if you need that for extra things in game. So this is a, let me properly move it, it's pretty tight. So this is Aris Pro. It comes with now upgraded with software support, so as mentioned in the box. So let's this is a pretty box. Okay, oh wait, so this is a pretty good box. So this is a Cosmic Byte Aris Pro wireless controller for your PC, laptop, your Mac or tab, and Android phone, iPhone I think so. So let's unbox this. Oh, you can see. Oh wow, look at this. Cable is so good, and this is a Brady and Type-C cable. Oh wow, this is so good. So look at this. Wow, wait a second. So this is the Aris Pro. Wow, what else we have here? I think this is a dongle to connect wireless with your phone or with your PC, laptop. So wow, this is good. I think this is similar to look like a pen drive. So what else we have? Let me wait a second. Oh, this is packing is good. Nothing. So we have here manual. So this is important because this controller need some attention, and you can see you can read it by pausing the screen, so you can read all the details, and this is important, so you will know about all the features of this. So this is a wireless, and you can connect it with the wired, so you don't have to worry about the battery if you connect it with wired. So you can see this wire is so long, orange one, and this is so long, and this is our controller. So this is very pretty. There is a, this is similar to Xbox, I think, something. What is, I think this is for protection. Wow, look at the weight. Let me see the weight. Wait a second. Weight is so good. Oh, I mean high. Let me see the weight. Wait a second. I'm finding my, okay, finding the weight. Where is the weight mentioned here? So oh, you can see 485 grams. Wow, net weight. That's amazing. So this controller is so good and similar to Xbox, I think. You can see these. I don't know the many things about this, but this is so pretty amazing, and you can see all these buttons are very good and look premium product. So that's why I paid a lot of money for this. So you can see there's lots of things here I don't understand. So I think this is a USB-C charge port, sorry. So you can connect it with the for charging, and you can directly connect with your PC, laptop, phone. without worrying battery. I think this comes with the battery of, I don't know, these are, oh, this is on now. So I don't understand many things here because I am new in this unboxing and playing with the controller, so I don't understand, but I know there's lots of buttons here. For example, 3.5mm audio jacks, 1000 hertz cooling rate, turbo button, direction pad, hall effect joystick, back buttons, start buttons. Also this look premium and connection is good. I can move and wait a second, so you can see it's not connected now, blinking. Now it's connected, connection is good directly. And wow, vibration, I can feel the vibration when it connected, and vibration is important I think in this joystick because of we can enjoy playing for example truck game. I love truck games with the vibration hand, and I love this. There's also button for for dongle or LED, direct input for red LED, Android mode in green LED, iOS mode blue LED. There's lots of things here. To connect with the wide mode, it's automatically connected. There's also button you can hold X plus home for 3 seconds for Orange PC Connect if done. For Android, A plus home for 3 seconds if you need it, but it will automatically connect if you are connected dongle. So no need to switch mode for Android, it automatically connect. So Windows PC default expression. There is lots of things. You can turn it. This app will have feature like it automatically turn off to save battery, so you don't have to worry about. If you want to turn it off, you can press back plus B button for 3 seconds to turn off, or